Why is your religion so
Beautiful?
bent? No, opposite of beautiful.
Why?
Bent on killing and murder and
Right.
all of that of people that don't believe, that they call them
Who started world wars?
people.
What religion?
I'm not sure.
Hitler was what religion? Was he a Muslim?
Hitler was, if he,
Did he believe in Christ?
there are people that believe in Christ that are not Christ believers.
Okay, so the world wars were both originated in Europe between Christian people. If you look at the Spanish Inquisition, where they massacred, genocided anybody that wasn't their form of Christianity, was that Muslims?
Oh,
Those
there
were
were Christians that were doing bad things.
Christians doing bad things. So when there are Muslims doing bad things, why do you blame Islam? But when Christians do bad things, you don't blame Christianity.